Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about writing a direct variation equation. So we're told that we need to suppose that y varies directly with x. So if y varies directly with x, what does that mean? Y equals some constant k times x. And then I'm told that when y equals 9, or y equals 9 when x equals 5. So my first step is to find k. I don't know what k is, but I want to write a direct variation equation, so I need to find k. Y equals k times x, and I know that when x is 5, y is 9. So what is k? How do I find k? I divide by 5. So that means that k equals 9/5. So my equation is y equals 9/5 times x, or y equals 9/5 x. Now, this actually should say find y when x is 18. We already know what y is when x is 5, so let's find y when x is 18. Well, I'm going to find that by using the equation I just found, y equals 9/5 x, and saying, hey, now instead of x being 5, x is 18. So what is y? Well, I need to do some multiplication here. 9 times 18 is 162 divided by 5. So y equals 162 divided by 5 when x is 18. And that is writing a direct variation equation and then using that equation to find another value for y.